Picture window installation in Fort Worth is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetics and energy efficiency. Custom picture windows Fort Worth offer a unique blend of style and functionality, making them a top choice for those seeking to upgrade their living spaces. With a variety of picture window styles and picture window frames available, residents can find the perfect match for their home's design. Energy-efficient picture windows Fort Worth are a smart investment for Fort Worth homeowners. These windows not only reduce energy costs but also improve the overall comfort of your home. Picture window experts in Fort Worth can provide guidance on the best energy-efficient options, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Picture window solutions in Fort Worth are designed to meet the specific needs of each home, offering both style and practicality. Picture Windows Fort Worth Replacement is a service offered by many reputable picture window companies. Whether you're looking to replace old, inefficient windows or simply want to update your home's look, picture window contractors in Fort Worth can provide the expertise needed for a seamless installation. Picture window quotes in Fort Worth are competitive, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Picture window replacement in Fort Worth is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular picture window maintenance can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Fort Worth picture window services include everything from minor replacements to complete overhauls, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Picture Windows Fort Worth design is all about combining functionality with aesthetics. With a wide range of picture window dimensions and picture window glass options, homeowners can customize their windows to fit their specific needs. Picture window materials in Fort Worth are chosen for their durability and energy efficiency, ensuring your windows stand the test of time. Picture window benefits in Fort Worth extend beyond just aesthetics. These windows provide unobstructed views, allowing natural light to flood your home and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Picture window features in Fort Worth are designed to enhance your home's overall appeal, making them a worthwhile investment for any homeowner. Picture windows Fort Worth cost varies depending on the size, style, and materials chosen. However, the long-term savings on energy bills and increased home value make them a cost-effective choice. Picture window upgrades in Fort Worth can also add significant value to your property, making them a smart investment for the future. Picture window trends in Fort Worth are constantly evolving, with new innovations and designs emerging regularly. Picture window innovations in Fort Worth focus on improving energy efficiency, durability, and aesthetics. Staying up to date with the latest trends ensures your home remains stylish and modern. Picture window aesthetics in Fort Worth are an important consideration for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal. With a variety of picture window enhancements available, you can create a unique look that reflects your personal style. Picture window companies in Fort Worth offer a wide range of options to suit any taste and budget.